Hello guys, this is Zoe. Welcome to Wuhan Jimmy Technology. Today we received a test request from our customer. Is this sample? This is a sensor made of the stainless steel, and our customer asked to do the circumferential welding on one hand. And the welding is firm without any defects. So next, let's take a look to see how to complete this test. We have accumulated much of the experience in stainless steel laser welding, and our technician quickly complete the programming design of the welding process and easily complete the test. Okay, now we can see the welding effect closely. You can see the welding seam. And we also can put the sample into the microscope, and you can see there. The welding effect is very good, and no defects. It's very flat and smooth. Okay, the test is finished. If you guys are interested in this video, or if you have the same problem about the welding issue, please kindly click the like button and leave your comment here. See you later.